We are here today from Mulholland Brand and Beverlywood. We just completed another beautiful job. This job had the fencing on the wall toppers, a pedestrian gate with a keypad and an exit button on the inside, and also a sliding gate. It's closing as we speak. It's on an automatic closer. It absolutely came out 100% flawless. Customers very happy. We're very happy. Here's Joey coming up right now. Hey Joey, what do you think about the project?
I'm happy. Very happy.
Good.
Quality product.
Would you recommend us for the people?
I would, highly.
All right.
I already have, actually.
All right, thank you very much. We've had quite a bit of interest as people drive by, and people are already asking questions. They love his beautiful gate. This absolutely came out beautiful. We're happy, Joey's happy, and that's all that counts. We will see you on the next beautiful project from Mulholland.